Okay, this is going to be our last video for Module 1, PlasmaCam. What I've decided to do in this video, is actually show you a part being cut out. But we're going to design it in Autodesk Inventor. It's a fairly simple part, showing 6 1/4 inches wide by 4 inches tall. We have an angle, 3 different holes, and a slot cut in it. We have the model here, which is the where we designed it, and here's your blueprint. So let's go ahead and get started. If I go to File and go to Save As, just hover over it, don't click it, and go to Save Copy As. Now notice it's selecting in a DXF file, so I can go ahead and save that. Go ahead and name it. It's called videocutout.dxf. And if I click on save, it says this already exists because I did it a while ago, and I'm going to hit yes. Alright, let's go ahead and minimize that, and here's our DXF file. So if I go to PlasmaCam right here and go to File, I'm going to have to import this, and it's coming in as an AutoCAD file. If it were not, then I would have to select it. However, it was already at AutoCAD DXF, and I just scroll down until I find my part, and it was called Video Cutout, and I'm going to click Open. Now notice what we have here. We have our title block, and we have all this extra stuff that we don't need right now. So whatever's green is active, and so if I hit delete, everything goes away. So I'm going to click out in the middle of the screen, and then I'm just going to put little windows around things and get rid of what I don't need. Okay, now if I highlight this and I hit K, which links my segments, everything's connected. If I hit F4, that blows everything up, so I need to get rid of these crosshairs, which I needed to dimension my part a while ago. So if I click it and turns it green, delete, 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 and there. Now, if I hit F5, that's the actual size of the part. I can hit M for move it into the middle of the screen or whatever. And I'm going to hit an F4 one more time, and that blows everything up. Now I have to put cut paths in here so that the plasma cutter will know where to start at. So if I go to Machine and I go to Convert to Cut Paths, I'm going to click on the inside of each one of these holes, and I'm going to click on the inside of this, and I'm going to click on the outside of that. Notice how it turned everything blue. That means that we have a cut path now. So I'm going to reduce my size and hit F1. Now if I want to see where the path is going to be, it has to be green. Hit Cut Preview, move this out of the way, and it's going to show you where it's going to start. Alright, so now we can go ahead and take it to the plasma machine. I'm going to minimize this, and let's take a look at the machine. Here's our table. It has a plasma cutter, and here's the screen of the part that we just did. And if I hit F5 on the keyboard, it reduces it down to the actual size. And if I hit F4, then it zooms everything into place. So the first thing I want to do is I want to do a cut preview. So if I go to Machine, Cut Preview, and say OK to that, notice where it's red, that's the path that it's going to take. Alright, now I'm going to hit F5 on the keyboard one more time. I'm going to highlight it and go to our settings, machine settings. And we've adjusted our height right here on the height control. And that is where the surface of the material is at. So if I hit OK to that, first thing I have to do is initialize the machine. Go to machine, initialize, and we're ready to cut. Now 4 throws me back into view, machine, auto cut control on, and cut. Okay, this last part, this last hole here, it looks like it didn't cut it out completely. All it needs to be, all I have to do is just tap it just a little bit, and that little plug will fall out. Let's minimize that, and let's pull this back up again. Okay, since I saved this as a DXF file, I can cut it out on any machine that I really want to. I can take it to a laser cutter. I can take it to PlasmaCam and cut it out on a CNC machine, or send it to a laser or whatever. But anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.